Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Fire plus side, fireside. CH plus hat, chat. Fireside chat. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. Join me now in welcoming back two good players. They were with us on yesterday's show. On my right, the lady who won the game yesterday and picked up over $4,000 in prizes. You're looking at Shelley Endo. Hello, Shelley. Good luck to you today.
Thank you.
Facing the same guy as yesterday.
Yeah, he's tough.
Yes, he is tough. Handsome dude, married to a pretty blonde lady named Melissa. This is John Lewis.
Hello.
Welcome back, John. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's
go for it. Here is a great prize. You are going to love this if you enjoy traveling.
It's time to pamper yourself, so head for a sensational getaway at the warm and friendly beaches of Cancun, Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Cancun, and you'll spend 6 nights discovering the Caribbean paradise of Cancun. The Fiesta Americana Cancun Resort features 5-star deluxe rooms, private terraces, beautiful beaches, and beckoning palms, furnished by Fiesta Americana Cancun. Alex.
A great place to visit. Take a look at the board, and we will show you where that vacation is hiding at number 5. And, John, you get to go first today.
Okay, let's look under number 21.
Living room ensemble.
Okay, could use that in my new home. How about right in the middle, number 13?
Refrigerator, freezer, no match. Shelley?
I'd like to see the other corner, 25.
Treadmill.
Oh, I could use that. The match at number 6.
No. Green take. John?
Okay, all new things. How about number 15?
Cancun.
Whoa, okay. And we saw that under number 5? Oh my God, that's great!
While you were making up your mind as to where you had seen that before, I was looking in the audience at Melissa. Melissa went like this. You revealed it the first time, and all you had to do was remember number 5, and she went, oh. And then when you said 5, she went, oh. Heave that beautiful sigh of relief. Let's take a look at the puzzle.
Okay.
Even though there isn't much showing, it gives you a start.
Okay.
Pick again.
Now let's go for number 11.
Oak wine rack.
Okay, we haven't seen that yet. How about number 19?
Wild card, so the oak wine rack will go up on your side. The other oak wine rack on the board at number 9. 3 panels will swing open for your benefit again, John. Select.
Okay, how about number 1?
Treadmill.
Okay, and we saw that under number 25.
Treadmill.
All right, on a roll.
We're on a roll, says John. Let's see if he is in fact on a roll. Can he solve the puzzle at this early stage? Doubtful, but you never know. Select again.
Okay, how about number 3?
His and her diamond watches.
Okay, I could use a new watch. How about number 16?
Refrigerator, freezer. No match. Shelley?
I think the match for that refrigerator freezer was at number 13.
Yes.
And number 16.
13 and 16 makes it a match. And you now get a look at the puzzle with an opportunity to solve it. Select again.
Number 22.
Wild card for you.
And I'd like to open up the board under number 7.
Living room ensemble. And the other living room ensemble is at 21. So that prize goes into your side of the prize columns, and you get a look at the puzzle now with 3 panels opening up. And is it enough? Pick again, Shelley.
Number 14.
Car stereo and speakers.
That'd be nice. And the match at number 4.
Gold desk clock. No match. 1 wild card remaining on the board, I believe.
Hopefully that's under number 20.
No, red tape there.
Okay, and number 2?
No. Chocolates. Shelley?
Let's see what's under number 12.
Red take.
And the match at number 20.
Red take.
want Cancun.
No!
Don't want the wine rack, huh?
No, I don't want Cancun.
Don't want the treadmill.
Treadmill's good.
You said
So is
the,
Cancun.
You said the treadmill was great.
So is the sun in Cancun.
Good thinking. We can't fool you, Shelley. Let's open it up for Shelley Endo. Pick again.
Number 2
Chocolates,
and number 23.
car stereo and speakers. John,
Okay, how about number 10?
there's a wild
All
card,
right.
the last one on the board. That'll help you.
Great, okay. How about number 18?
Gold desk clock, and we saw that up top a few moments ago at number 4. So those 3 panels will open for your benefit. Try it again, John.
Okay, how about number 17?
Well, now that's his and her diamond watches, which you
Is that
could
number
use.
3?
You said you could use them.
All right.
You and Melissa. Can you solve it now? Try it again.
Number 14.
Car stereo and
23
speakers.
for the match.
Yes. The match again. With just 2 more matches to make on the board, so you could clear it all. What can you do now? Shelley has a chance to steal this if John makes a mistake.
But I won't. Okay, how about number 8?
Green take.
Take. Here's a guess. Is it under number 6?
What do you want to take with it?
Cancun!
Cancun coming John Lewis's way. Open those 2 panels, and then we will show him 2 and 24. 2 and 24 are the chocolates. Now, for a lot of prizes, John, solve this puzzle. Oh, John. Shelley,
Here's mud in your eye.
here's mud in your eye. Yeah. Good job, John. Up. Come on, Shelley. You get to explain it.
The H plus the ears, here's ma plus the den, mud, and Y plus your eye. Here's mud in your eye.
Yeah, that's a good solution for you. Bad news, of course, for John. John, what were you hung up on there? I
Den. I couldn't figure out the den.
couldn't figure out the den. You didn't know whether the arrows were pointing at the den or the lion, I
Yeah.
guess. Oh, that's too bad. 2 strikes against you, John. However, you've got good news coming your way, of course. You're getting married to Melissa.
That's right.
That's a nice deal,
Best
isn't
prize
it?
of all.
Yeah, take care.
Thanks a lot.
So long. All right, Shelley. Let's hear about your prizes.
A refrigerator freezer. The RCA No Frost refrigerator features a spacious interior with adjustable glass shelves designed for easy cleaning. Extra deep door bins store gallon-sized containers furnished by RCA and a living room ensemble. Part of Lloyd Flanders' heirloom series, love seat, lounge chair, and end table, man-made, all-weather wicker furniture pieces are designed for use indoors or out, furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And Shelley, you have prizes totaling $2,214.
And Shelley gets to play for a car again after this. I believe in this, Endo. This is your 2nd time in the winner's circle. However, you did pick up the 5 bonus seconds the first time around, and that means you're going to operate with 3/4 of a minute. So let's get to it. 15 numbered squares and 45 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No again.
10, 11,
No.
2, 10,
Yes.
13, 14,
No.
1, 13,
Yes.
5, 14,
No.
7, 14,
No.
4, 14,
Yes.
3, 6,
No.
9, 12,
No.
8, 12,
No.
11, 15,
No.
6, 11,
No.
7, 6,
No.
9, 7,
No.
15, 3,
No. Where did it go?
11, 3.
Where did the magic go? The way you made those first 3 matches, I figured smooth sailing from here on. Shelley's going to win a car, and it didn't work out. However, you do have $6,836 in prize winnings, and that's very good going. We'll be back after this. Welcome back, and we are delighted to welcome to our program the lady on my left, our challenger in this second game. Her name is Bridgette de Guarfas. Did I come close?
Pretty close. DeJarfus.
De Jarfas. All right, what is De Jarfas? Is it Spanish, Portuguese?
Hungarian.
Hungarian. De Jarfas. Are you Hungarian?
Well, no.
Your
By
husband-
marriage.
Your husband is? Any little ones?
No.
No?
Little ones.
Not yet?
No.
Ready to play?
Yes. Let's
Okay,
go.
take a look. Let's go, she says. All right, something good for your home.
A decorator's dream, this exclusive Murray Feist design chandelier is crafted of beveled mirror diamonds and panels with clear glass spheres. 23 candelabra sockets illuminate this beauty, furnished by Murray Feist Import Corporation. Alan?
Pretty chandelier. Let's show our ladies where we will find that prize on the board at number 3. Now, we also have a Canadian holiday. We have the 5 bonus car seconds, and we have the cash pot, which has $500 in it, but just one wild card. And Bridgette, you get to pick first.
Okay, let's go with the top left of the board at number 2.
Complete power tools set.
Just what I always wanted.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that, Bridgette? Why did you want a complete power tool set?
Because I'm so mechanically inclined.
You are, huh? All right.
And let's go to the bottom of the board at number 21.
No, we have diamond and topaz earrings. Shelley.
Oh, those earrings would be nice. Let's see if we can find the match at number 10.
Red take.
And number 16.
Complete power tool set. Bridgette, it looks like you're going to get a shot at those
There's my
tools
power
after
tools.
all.
Let's go for number 16. And the match at number 2.
Number 2.
All right.
I have a feeling a lot of these power tools, though, are not really for the mechanically inclined, but for those who like to do carpentry around the house. Is your husband into that?
No.
Not at all? What does he
He's
do?
going to kill me for saying that. He is an engineer.
He's an engineer, but he doesn't like to putter around the house or do anything?
God, no.
He's not handy at all. Can he screw in a light bulb?
He's really going to kill me. No.
No, he won't kill you. I'll protect you.
No, he's...
So he's a klutz.
Well...
Okay.
I call him Chevy Chase. So.
You call him Chevy Chase. You're thinking of the National Lampoon films,
Yes.
right? Where he falls
my
down
husband.
and he does all these crazy things. So let's open these 2 panels for you, Bridgette.
I have no clue.
That's all right. You're not supposed to have a clue at this stage. Otherwise, we'd have really short games.
Okay, let's go for number 9.
Dishwasher.
Well, that's usually me.
Uh-huh.
And the match at number 24.
5 bonus car seconds. He doesn't even help out in the
Yes, he does. He does.
All right. Well, that's good. We gotta come up with something nice to say about the guy. Shelley,
Number 7.
200 California lottery tickets.
That'd be nice.
Yep.
And the match at number 14.
Wild card, so you're gonna get a shot at that. The other lottery tickets, number 4. They're up, down here. 3 doors opening for Shelley. Select again.
Number 11.
Canadian holiday.
I'd like to go to Canada. Let's see if the match is under number 17.
No match. Entertainment Center. I don't know where that Canadian holiday is. And Canada is such a broad country. Perhaps we can get some information on that. Where's? It is to Toronto. Lovely city. Bridgette,
Okay, let's
pick
try to
2.
find it under number 25.
Cash pot.
Ooh, let's go number 15.
15. No, that's a computer. Shelley.
Let's see what's under number 18.
Green take.
Is the match under number 9?
Could be, but it's not. That's the dishwasher. Bridgette.
Okay, let's go number 1.
Green take.
Oh, shoot, I just saw that. Number 13.
No, that's the computer. Shelley.
I would really like that computer. So number 15 and number 13.
15 and 13 match, and that's a computer going into your column. Looks like Bridgette is having a little first game nerves, the way it affected you the first time out. But you're settled in now. You're
Yeah.
a trooper. Let's see what happens as we open these 2 panels for you, Shelley. Pick again.
Number 18 and
Green
number
take.
1.
18 and 1 is the combination that Bridgette was kind of looking for a few moments ago. She wants you to take the power tools.
I think I'll save it.
That's all she's got. Oh, gosh. Okay, Shelley. Open it up, please. Shelley, go again.
Number 8
Entertainment Center.
And I think we saw that at 22.
Think so? No. Red take there. Bridgette.
Okay, I know we've seen that before. Let's look under number 11.
Canadian Holiday.
Okay, let's find the Canadian Holiday under number 23.
No. Chandelier. Shelley.
Number 17.
Entertainment.
And number 8.
17 and 8 next. Want to take the power tool?
Take the power tools. Go ahead.
Not yet.
Okay. Open it up. Pick again, Shelley.
Number 23.
Chandelier.
And number 3.
Number 3. There's 2 matches in that center column. Let's see what these 2 pieces reveal.
Is it making ends meet?
Making ends meet, says Shelley Endo, and Shelley Endo is right. That's the end of this game. Come on, Shelley, let's go to the board. You like doing this, you do it well.
May plus the king, making ends meet. Making ends meet.
Yeah, looks like a ribeye steak to me down there. Right there. I'm gonna go home and eat one of those. Bridgette, 1 strike only, and that means you're gonna come back and play in the next game. Obviously, you don't want to play against Shelley again. You want her to win the car and get out of here. We'll find out if it works that way. But first, let's hear about these prizes. Gene.
200 California lottery tickets and a computer. The Apple Macintosh Classic Personal Computer, a transportable system for home education and business tasks. Powerful technology that's easy to use, and an entertainment center. Bassett brings to you one of the most beautiful entertainment centers designed to conveniently house all your video components for your enjoyment. Furnished by Bassett. And, of course, the beautiful chandelier. And this is a prize package worth $3,848.
Shelley is just cruising along beautifully. However, she is operating under a threat from her cousin, who said, do well or else. That cousin wants her to win a brand new car, too. We'll see if she can do it after this. Is this lady having a good time or what? She's won over $10,000, and now she gets to play for a brand new car. 15 numbered squares for you, Shelley, and 50 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
2, 8.
No.
1, 8.
Correct.
10, 11.
No.
4, 10.
No.
5, 10.
Yes.
13, 14.
No.
11, 12.
No.
7, 12.
Yes.
15, 9.
No.
4, 15.
Yes.
14, 9.
No.
3, 6.
No.
3, 14.
Yep.
2, 9.
No.
11, 9.
No.
13, 2.
No.
13, 9.
Right.
6, 11.
Yes. With 5 seconds to spare, would you believe? There you go, Shelley. James, tell about the car.
Shelley, you've just won this Honda Civic 4-door DX. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder 1500cc fuel-injected engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Furnished by Honda, a prize worth over $10,000.
Doubling your total prize winnings to $20,699. Well, you got the car you wanted, right? Congratulations to you. And we'll take a break. We'll come back after this message from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Shave and Shower, the amazing razor that flows and gives the smoothest shave, even without lather. An ultra-smooth shave with Shave and Shower from Polonex. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Hang on just a second, folks. Bridgette, you got your wish. She won the car, and you won't have to play against her again. And not only did she win the car, folks, but this young lady, Shelley Endo, looked up, had enough presence of mind to look up at the clock, see that there was time remaining for her to play for the car she wanted. Am I correct?
Yeah.
You wanted,
I wanted the Civic.
You didn't want the Festiva, and
No,
that's the
I
choice you
didn't
had
want
at the
the
end, so you were fumphing around different combinations, and it worked out for you. Well, you've got so many wonderful prizes. You've got the car you wanted, you won some vacations, and you're going away with over $20,000, so congratulations to you. We'll see you tomorrow. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.